Boo fan. Where are we going today?
We're gonna go up to Daly City. There's somebody that recognized me on Gmail.
Gmail?
But I hit him up on Craigslist. We're gonna go look at a CB750 in 1982. Hopefully be CB boys with Tall. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Son Mai over here helping me out with his truck, camera, strap, ramp. We call that the lane split go-getter.
The truck of shame.
The truck of shame. Not today though. It's the truck of fame. And will it turn over? Because I just want to hear it turn. It doesn't have to start. It just...
I know. I actually have not charged it in a long time, and my mistake. I didn't charge it early enough this morning.
That's okay. I actually have a jumper. I just want to hear. Yeah, I just want to hear it turn. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So he's he's the one that started Lane Split. We're just kind of like the squad. You know, we just build dope shit.
They're the face.
Yeah, we're the face.
Awesome.
Okay. So you just hear his voice. You see my face all the time.
It's funny because people recognize his voice. I mean, his laugh and shit at Born Free.
Yeah, we were at Born Free, and me and Young, we were hanging out. We were just talking, right? And next thing you know, I see this like big white guy behind me, and he's like just staring at me. And I was like, oh man, it's kind of weird, right? And so we just started making jokes and I started laughing. And then he goes through. He's like, I knew I recognized you, but I didn't know until I heard you laugh. I was like, holy shit, that's fucking crazy. Appreciate it, man. Thanks a lot.
All right, thanks, man. Take care. Good meeting you guys.
All right.
That's a dope register too. Just old school. Yeah, vintage register.
It says Daly City too.
When we get a lane split shop, let's get this for the front. So we just picked up the bike from Daly City, got it for a steal. I practically stole it from the guy. I'm not gonna tell you guys how much, but it was a really good deal. So me and Son are gonna drive it back. This shit is heavy as fuck. Back to my garage, make some room for it, and then get working on that pretty soon. Hopefully gonna look up some parts, and yeah, be ready for the next cafe build. What do you think, Son?
It's gonna be a good bike, man.
We heard it turn over, so it's solid. Hopefully.
Just got back to Vu's house, about to unload.
Yo, so we just got the bike back on the lift over here at the garage. But stay tuned, make sure you guys are subscribed, hit that like button. We're gonna do a build on it. I'm also gonna be putting up all of my El Barbecue build videos on this lane split channel. So instead of having to go anywhere else, it's all gonna be here. So be on the lookout for that, and then also on the build video for this CB750F. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
So what do you feel about vodka?
Fucking hate vodka, fuck vodka. But we're about to make it rain at the swap meet. There are 20s, let's just kidding.
What's up?
Just got to the swap meet.
Pretty fucking TT bros.
Yeah.
How you doing?
So
What's really good?
I got some in my coffee.
But maybe just bring you back to life.
This is his new nickname, not Vodka Boo.
Vodka Boo?
I like vodka, bro.
Nah, I can't do that. Stick with dark shit.
Yeah.
Vodka makes me all
Yeah, man.
I'll get you slim though.
Fucking rubbing. It was like rubbing alcohol yesterday.
What you got there, Young?
Oh, I got a duck-billed fender for my shovel head.
How much?
And bones.
10 bucks? Sick. What you got? Little coffee?
Coffee. That's it. I got a hangover.
think it's sweet. What up, man?
What's up, buddy?
What's up?
What's up, dog?
Sick. Still got it. Still got it.
Yeah, rock that shit. And in my garage. In my garage, too. I got
the green sign, right? Yeah, sick.
I got a big
This is sick right here.
Yeah.
Guys and girls. Some girls have to bend over.
This for guys right here.
This is for the ladies.
The ladies gotta bend down. That's smart.
That's Chicago's California.
Yeah, this is my boat right here, dude.
Yeah.
She's fucking badass.